Hey, welcome to the show. This show's a little different. I did the water hunt last year up north of us at the park, and I was always getting sounds that really sounded good, and I'd dig, and it was like they'd disappear. So I called Garrett, using the Pro I was, but anyway, I called Garrett, talked to Rusty Curry down there, talked quite a while, about an hour, and probably one thing he was saying might be pockets of magnetite or heavier pockets of mineralized areas. So I told him, I said, well, what do you think about, when I find one of those, try to ground balance over it. And so I did try that. Didn't do any good. So it's still a mystery. One place I did dig, had a really nice tone, kept digging. I finally gave up, but I turned the iron audio on, I could hear there was a deep piece of iron. So it's still kind of up in the air what those sweet signals are. But I think he's correct on that, and I suspected it to be that too. But you do notice when you get those nice signals and you start digging, you start breaking that area up, and it seems to diminish and go away. So I think that's some of it. And I think some of the other is the deep iron, which you might want to dig 15 inches in tillite to get a piece of iron out, because it's no fun. So there you have it. Nick Davis comes up to help me. And like I said, we together are really trying to solve the mystery of why it is, you get these beautiful tones in several directions, but you don't find anything. Okay, another thing. Penny. That thing is a third as thick as it should be. The current's very fast, probably a lot of abrasives. Maybe the coins are 75, 80 years old are not there because they were abraded away. There's nothing left of this memorial. I mean, you can tell it's a memorial, but it's just paper thin. So I don't know. Another one, same deal. This one's even thinner. Hey, if anybody wants to comment on that, and you know something, that's great. I'd like to know. Thanks so much. Please enjoy the show. Somebody just arrived. We're going to go swim in the river.
Where are your swimming trunks?
Old Man River.
I thought we were going swimming.
Oh, I'm all ready. It's in the bag. These are my Triple E shoes, which go over my stocking waders.
That's good.
So,
I got some, I got the wrong size
oh no.
water shoes, so I found an old pair of sneakers. I'm just going to throw them.
But you do have waterproof headphones, huh?
Yeah. I did break the clasp here. I stepped on it.
Oh, no. Bummer.
So, I don't know if we had...
You got pockets in your trunks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if you had...
I got a bag you can hang over your neck, too.
you have any duct tape?
Yeah, I got duct tape. All right, we have arrived. Nick's going to rough it in the cold water.
Yep.
I got the Pro here. Hope it doesn't storm. There's a slim chance.
Alright,
Whoops, how did I turn it on? Hey, greetings, welcome to Drama in the Dirt. I'm out in the stream again this year for summer, and still in quest of the elusive silver. I'm thinking it's here. Nick came up to help me. Let me see what we got here. Hold on. Quiet this thing down a little bit. This is called Onion Creek. This little no fish in it because it's all spring water. Not enough oxygen in it. Should get it here in a minute. There's probably some stuff I didn't dig here last year. Oh! Oh! Oh!
What do you think of that signal, huh?
It's going to make me rich. 4 inches. All right.
If I found something here, I have to go swimming to get it.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm saying. That's why I brought you along. Come on, get in there. How loud was it? I heard it. Yeah, what?
It says only glacial water.
That's right. Fresh off the glaciers, that's why it's so green. Yeah. The suit's doing pretty good. Where was that signal? There's the old swimming seat they put in for the people. Oops, I still got my wallet. What else can I get wet? Just my wallet. I might go under if it sounds good enough. I can go get my goggles. There, right there. Is that it? There. Deep? It sounds deep.
86.
It's not quite as deep here. I'll probably reach it without getting all the way under.
I bet you can't.
No, you're probably right. Why'd it quit? Oh. Did you get anything up through there? Weird. Yeah, of course, money, if it's you get a lot of water, I suppose it could take off high water. There's a place where it's all piled up.
There's a place where it's all piled up.
We got to find one silver. Nick and I have been fooling around with this. We're getting all kinds of numbers, but we pretty much settled on the fact it's got to be a copper memorial. But we keep getting high numbers. It says it's still 4 inches. We've been hacking around on this tillite, which if you've ever dug in tillite, you know how hard it is.
We've probably spent 10, 15 minutes on this just trying to
Yeah,
eyeball it.
and we've gotten some different numbers. We thought maybe it started ringing 80, and we were thinking maybe it might be a silver ring or something. I brought the Apex over. It rang pretty much a solid 81. So, yeah, go ahead and see what you got now. We lost the signal for some reason once. There it is.
That's
Same
definitely
numbers?
moved. It's definitely moved if that's it.
That's weird though, it sounds deep. Okay, we had to abandon that. We're figuring maybe it's a deep piece of iron. I'm getting a lot of iron noise off of it. I'll probably dig it eventually some other day, but that 80, 81 just keeps repeating and then gets up 83. Nick and I are going to do one more dig together and I'm going to go home. Well, I'm glad you're having a good time.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, it's not about the fines, all for me. Just the fact that I can get out. Up the lazy river. Got one.
Seems a little
Now see, that's one we should dig. Think? Try another angle. You get some solid numbers.
This way is 86.
Okay, turn the iron audio on. Doesn't sound like iron, does it?
Doesn't.
What numbers?
86.
Okay. I'm gonna scratch it away a little bit.
It's not fading out.
Okay. Good luck. I hope you find a gold ring.
Or find your silver.
Yeah, my silver coin. There you got one. That's the thing about the Pro. It hollers out. Zinc?
77.
Yeah, zinc. Sounds pretty good. What kind of numbers?
80.
Let me try it. Yeah, you better dig that. I'd say it's a dime. I'm getting 83, so I think it's probably a clad dime. Oh, I don't remember the depth. Anything you want to say about today? The experience?
I like it.
New experience.
I like it, yeah.
Stay cool, right?
It's nice.
85 degrees, so yeah. He's running the Pro. He might get his CTX out if you're going to be on ground for a while.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
I'm
I'll
afraid-
probably
I'm
go
afraid
ahead.
to get it in the water.
Yeah, I'll probably leave him here a little while to his own devices. So, if you need bail or anything, don't call me.
Yeah, that's the thing. Oh, wow.
Grommet.
That's cool.
What can you do? I've been trying to pull silver. This is my second year. I haven't pulled any silver out of here yet. When we were, younger than you guys.
something.
Yeah, you're losing your metal detector. Yeah. We used to throw coins in this river back in the 60s, through this creek. Well, she's really going. Ain't she? Hey, don't you get all wet unless you want to. I'll put a lead weight on. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it.
Yeah. You may go ahead and stop the recording.
Yeah, just go ahead and shut the lid. Okay, so what would you think? Let me see if it'll pinpoint. Well, first I'm going to turn the iron audio on, see what it sounds like. Okay, I hear a little bit of iron. So let me go ahead and go to see if it'll pinpoint. It will pinpoint. Let me try it over here, see what we got. Okay, so I'm going to dig it. It's mixed though. Oh my goodness, Lord. Just right over here. Something somebody just didn't look.